Here at the Moreau residence. About to cable through this outside clean out, or camera. As you can see, just a big root ball right after you get inside for the clean out. Did get them draining, but not draining well. We'll back up again soon.